Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thoughts on video on this kit right here. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Balm Baby Kit, or box I guess you would say. I purchased this off the Sephora website for $28 Canadian, and of course, being a smart shopper once again, do use eBay or some kind of cashback website so you can make a little while you are shopping. My referral code is in the description box down below. Anyhow, so this line actually came out, I think, sometime last year already, and I know some YouTubers receive some of the products to try it out, and you know, I've heard a lot of mixed reviews, so hence I was a little hesitant on purchasing it because of the price point. It is quite steep. I believe like a highlighter and a blush in one was like $40 something, so I was like, if it's a mixed review, I'm a little hesitant to buy them. I'd rather wait till maybe there's a kit so I get to try out a few things. So during Boxing Day, I saw this off the Sephora website and I was like, perfect, because I really wanted to try out, you know, at least a few of their products, but not willing to spend the full price just yet for a full-size one, because first off, I don't think I've ever actually finished a highlighter on its own, or a lip gloss. My lip gloss, usually I end up throwing it out because I kept it for too long, or you know, it's starting to gunk up and I'm kind of like, I don't really want to like have to get the remaining out of that tube. So I thought this was perfect, and especially because it was only $28. The lip gloss itself, like the full-size lip gloss, it retails for already $23, so you know, I get to try out the highlighter, why not, right? So the highlighter is actually in Hustler Baby, and the lip gloss is actually just a Fenty Glow. I believe both of these are one of their good selling products from this line that I've actually heard of. So I thought, you know what, why not try it out, because they're in really, like, you know, deluxe size sample size, so that, you know, if it was good and I can finish it up, then might as well go and take the, you know, just go and buy the full-size one, right? So after purchasing these and trying them out, I also went in store to see if like the material that they use for both of these products, are they the same, or you know, is it on the cheaper end? Because you know, some brands tend to, if they're gonna make deluxe size sample ones, the material might be thinner or anything like that, but I have to say for Fenty Beauty, no, the deluxe size sample feels just as good as the full size sample. So the Hustle Up Baby, which is what I have on my cheeks, I don't know if you guys can tell, it is a more warmer tone. I feel like it does brighten up my look, so it looks like that with still like the monogram that is on the highlighter itself, and the side that I'm actually covering has a mirror. How awesome. A lot of these, like, you know, deluxe size samples don't have mirrors. I mean, to me, a mirror is just a bonus. Having it is great. I do still try to use a big full-size mirror to do my full makeup, but honestly, if I'm on the go, it'd be very nice to have a mirror so that that's attached to the product, so I don't have to like run around looking for one, right? So that is great. And of course, I don't know if you guys can tell, because it has that yellowy type of shimmer. I really like it because it actually warms up my tone. I know my skin tone is more leaning towards pink, cool tone, so adding this on actually warms up my face. So I did do it down my nose bridge and also on my cheek area. The other product that I wanted to talk about was the lip gloss that it came with. So the lip gloss is very, very shimmery. It smells like candy. I love it, but you know, for those who don't like those types of scents, then you know, this might actually kind of bother you. I don't have a lot of pigmentation for my lips, so I can't actually wear this by itself. But I can definitely wear this, you know, on top of like a matte lipstick if I choose to, you know, make it more like glossy, like right now, as you guys can tell. I only had on a matte lipstick, and now I add this on and look at that glow. I guess look at that shine, but it is called Fenty Glow. It is great. I really, really do like it. I can't say it lasts as long. It does, you know, transfer. The doe foot applicator is like a full size, as you guys can tell. Right here, it is actually like a full size. It's just the length of the doe foot applicator is shorter, just so that it can fit into a lip gloss like this. So I would definitely add it on top of matte lipsticks that I want to make it look more glossy, and you know, I really like it. Overall, I think $28 for both of these is great. Like I said, these are the better selling products that they offered on this line that a lot of YouTubers have been talking about. So I do suggest you guys, if you guys want to try out Fenty Beauty, you know, the full size is really expensive, but at the same time, if you're like me, you never really actually finish one of these anyways, but you want to try it out, feel free to check out the Sephora website or even go to your local Sephora to check it out. And it smells so good. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, remember to give me a thumbs up. I do try to upload 1 to 2 new videos each week, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on that little bell for notification. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.